Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. Today we are going to go through these productive websites. We have 3 websites I'm going to take you through for productivity. If you're a person who deals so much with documents, PDFs, and converting files here and there, where you have zillion softwares downloaded on your laptop, on your PC to do all this work for you. This time I come with all these 3 websites. They are going to be fantastic. Please find the links in the description below. Now we start with ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf.com has over 40 functions which help you to deal with your PDF, merging, splitting, compressing, converting into different types, that is Excel to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF. It also does all the other like converting PDFs, converting from PDFs, editing, that is rotating, adding page numbers, then also doing the PDF security, like locking your PDF, unlocking a PDF that is already locked, signing off PDF. So please go ahead and access it for free. You'll do all the basic features, but they offer an extended one with a price that is $4 per month. So it is billed annually at $48. You can go for the premium one if you feel like this is the hit for you, but you can start testing it out with the free version, which is having the basic features, and there you go. Then we move to the next one, that is tinywar.com. So tinywar.com is having over 200 functionalities. For it has, you can deal with PDFs, you can deal with images, converting images, removing background from an image, removing a person from your image. Then it has AI image generators. This one is fantastic. If you're someone who loves to create logos, someone who loves to take pictures here and there, then this website will work for you. So you can go ahead. Also, it does the writing, so it has the AI already inbuilt, paragraph writing, sentence rewriters, content improvers. If you want to write a blog post for your LinkedIn account or Facebook, you can come here, just give it a topic, and then it will be having you the article written. Then we also have, it has the video functionalities. You have a video like it is 5 GBs, you can compress it to less than even a GB. You have a video which you feel like you need to convert to a GIF, that is a moving picture, animated. Then you want to trim a video to cut it into shorts, then you can go ahead and do that. You have a video which you want to convert to audio. A lot more is waiting. Then it has a lot. It deals with most of the file types, splitting CSVs, converting documents, a lot. So that is tinywar. It gives most of these for free. Please go there, check them out. Then we have the online converter. So the online converter, it is not more different from the other ones, but at the other point it also has some difference. So now the difference we find with the online converter, it has a lot of tools. So this one comes in handy with more diverse, with you can see it has the card converters, audio, it archives, it does the document converters, the ebooks, a lot of them, software converters. If you want to convert your PowerPoint presentation into like an application, so you go down ahead and do that. You want to save a website as a PDF, you want to save a full website as a PDF, all that you can do. So please, you can go ahead and reach the online-convert.com. So for it, using it, it is having options. So if I want to convert audio, I'll come here and select the audio I'm converting to. So if I'm converting, let's say a document, let's say I'm converting to PPT, that is PowerPoint, I'll go ahead and click on that. upload my document. After the upload, I'll go ahead and start. So I'll go, let me see if I can convert this, open. It is going to initialize. We'll go ahead and start converting this. So after converting this, it automatically has to be giving you now the PowerPoint documentation version of it. Though it has ads, it means that for you to go away with the ads, these disturbing ads, you'll have to do a payment of around, actually this one is somehow expensive because it goes for $9 per day and they give you 24 hours. Then if you want, you can do the professional one, which starts with $6.4 per month. This one does the file conversion, editing and compressions. The other one does, if you want to use it, a one-off. Then for students, it is a free, but you'll be requested to give your student credentials. So going back, it has a lot. You can go ahead and archive, like let's say converting your document to a zip. Then for device converters, if you want to convert a video to iPhone, to be played on iPhone, to be played on iPod, to be played on a PSP, then it does it for you straightforward. Converting software converter, this is converting a PowerPoint converter. There is hash generator. There is a lot. You can also use it for developments of some applications, and yeah, your money will be worth that value. So please go ahead and access all these links in the description below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this helpful to your daily productivity and dealing with documents. Give us a thumbs up, leave that notification bell ticked such that you can always have a notification of such videos when we upload them immediately. Otherwise, we sign off. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.